Hi kids!
Hi Dad! The Earth travels at a speed of 30,000 kilometers every second. Without knowing, we're always traveling, rotating, moving.
The road is clear now. I invite you to leave. Do you want me to take control of driving?
Yes, please. On board, I feel like a new explorer, through time and space.
It's the perfect time to admire the stars.
It is said that there are 10 times more stars in the sky than grains of sand on Earth. They seem so numerous and so far, and yet I have the impression that I could reach them. More than a straight line or a trajectory. Travel is my adventure. Citroën 1919, inspired by future me.